Meaning of haunt.
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 Haunt. The word haunt can be used as both a noun and a verb with similar meanings. As a verb, it means to frequently visit or appear in a place, often in a way that is unwanted or eerie. It can also refer to memories or thoughts that persistently plague someone's mind. As a noun, a haunt can refer to a place where someone frequently visits or appears, especially if it has a spooky or unsettling quality. Overall, the word haunt connotes a persistent and often unsettling presence, either physical or mental.